This is Baby Bear. This is Valentine. This is Manny. This is Daisy. This is Scratchy. This is Amanda. This is Heartbeat. This is
Peppa.
Coco. This is Stephanie. Now we're going to do a closer look. Hi, my name is Baby Bear. Hi, my name is Valentine.
Valentine. Oh no. Yeah,
Valentine. My name is
Mary.
My name is Manny.